Fantastic. So you've got your list. Now the next thing I want you to do is to go over to Amazon.com. And when you're there, I want you to put the mouse over departments. Okay. And what we have here, pretty much from books and Audible, which right down to automotive and industrial, are massive departments, huge industry sectors. Okay. But using your list, you will see almost straight away the departments that should be of interest to you. So for me, I'm just going to take my very first interest, running, for example. Okay, that would take me to sports and outdoors. Right, that's pretty much the department, the huge industry sector that is probably the most interesting for me. Okay, having done that, you hover over it and you're going to start getting some various options. Okay, we're actually going to start drilling down within the department. So then choose one that you feel, whoops, let me just go back there. Choose one that you feel would be the most interesting. Okay, so as I look at this, all right, camping and hiking, not so much. Cycling, I could possibly do something with that. But I'm actually going to go down to all sports and fitness just for the moment. And I'm going to click on that. Now I arrive on the sports and fitness page, and if I scroll down, you start to see these square blocks where Amazon has basically organized stuff into smaller categories, smaller niches. Yeah, they've got athletic clothing, exercise and fitness, hunting and fishing, etc. All right. So now I just want to choose the one that is most appealing to me. For me, it's exercise and fitness. So if I click on that and scroll down a little bit more, again, it breaks it down even smaller niches. Okay. So Amazon is doing the work for me. You know, they know what sells. They know how to categorize things. They've done all the hard work for you. They know that, for example, smart fitness, in this particular case, is an interesting niche. Otherwise, they wouldn't have categorized all that products into that one niche. And I want you to do the same. Now, I'm going to finish up with smart fitness because as I click on this, I can go down even further, right? I can pick on fitness trackers and smart cardio. I could write stuff about pretty much all of these, to be honest. This is an area that interests me and I know it's an area where I can add value. Now, what I want you to do in that same vein is therefore to go through the process that I just went through. You know, you might drill down to a smaller niche or a smaller category, find there isn't anything of particular interest, nothing grabs you, so just go back up a level, you know, pick another one, go back down, and eventually you will find a sub-niche that just hits you, that just stands out and you think, yeah, that's the one for me. That's going to be my niche. That's the niche I'm going to build my affiliate store around. So take your time, just enjoy cruising around Amazon, but don't spend too long. Don't get bogged down. You know, this shouldn't take you perhaps more than an hour, really, of just enjoying going around Amazon until you find a niche that really interests you. So good luck, and I'm going to see you in the next lecture.